This conference will now be recorded.
Hey guys, we're going to do a video here on how to do RFIs in Sage Construction Project Center, or SCPC for short. The developer recommends using Firefox as your browser, so I went ahead and made my home page in Firefox the login screen for SCPC. So I'll show you guys how to set that up first, and then we'll get going on RFIs. So you go ahead and launch Firefox. You'll see mine comes straight to the home screen, the login screen for SCPC. To do that, up here in the right-hand corner, you have three little bars. That's your menu, and then you'll come down to options here, the little gear, and then you'll select the home tab, and then in this drop-down, it'll be set to Firefox Home default. So in that drop-down, you'll select custom URLs, and that's where you'll type in sagecpc.com, and that's all you have to do. Just you close out, and then the next time you open it, your home screen is your login screen. So it just makes it a little bit easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and log in here. If you guys are having troubles finding your login information, haven't yet logged in, give me a call, give Tina a call, and we can help you get your login information squared away. So here's what you'll see when you first log in. Okay, you'll go to find your project, and for today we're going to use a project called Magnolia and Adams Temp. So they're all listed here in alphabetical order. So go ahead and select that Magnolia and Adams Temp. Up here across the top, this is where you'll see, okay, the name of the job. All right, now I know I'm in the correct job. Down here towards the middle, you're not going to see this cost management, project setup, all that kind of stuff. You'll see project management, reports, and documents. Okay. So under project management, you're going to go ahead and go to RFIs over here on the right, and you'll go ahead and give that one click. And then once you come in here, you'll click on the Savant RFIs folder. Okay. And once you do that, you'll see a log of all the RFIs that have been done for this job. And it'll give you the RFI number, the title, date submitted, due date, and then the status, open or closed. Okay. So to do a new RFI, we'll come up here to the menu bar, and we're going to click once on new RFI. And here you see your from. That's obviously going to be you since you're the one sending it. So you click the drop down, find your name, and once you find it, go ahead and click it, and it populates for you. And then to, obviously same thing, you're going to scroll down, you're going to find your architect. For this project, we're just going to use, it's called Burns LLC. That's just one that we set up to test the email functionality. And I will tell you it does work. So the RFIs will go out via email from the system to your architect. So that's quite helpful. So for your RFI subject, I typically put the number back in there, RFI number 18, and then let's just say stone veneer. Okay, because we have a question about stone veneer. So then you'll just go through field by field and answer the questions. Okay, RFI status is open, obviously. Request reason. Why are you asking a question? Well, I need some clarification, or I need some confirmation. Whatever the request is, that's what you'll answer there. Action requested. Well, give me some direction, give me some confirmation, give me some clarification, okay? Date submitted, again, is going to be today's date. And then the due date populates automatically 7 days from the date submitted, okay? Over here under additional information, you'll see cost impact. Well, I don't know if there's a cost impact because I don't know the answer to the question yet, or if you do know that there's going to be a cost impact, then you'll answer yes. And if you know there's not going to be a cost impact, then you'll answer no. Schedule impact. Oh, is it going to add time to the schedule? Yes. Do we know? No, we don't know. So whatever the correct answer is, whatever the correct response is, that's what you'll choose. Okay. Reference. This is for stone veneer on the seat wall near building A. Whatever. You don't have to put a reference, but I'll just say that. Drawing. What drawing? It's sheet A 1.1. And what detail? Sheet A 1.1, detail, 8, whatever it is. Okay? Then you ask your question. Let's see. Stone veneer is shown to stop short of the top of seat wall. Is this correct? Question mark. Okay. Then you'll keep going. Obviously, you see the answer here, which we'll get to in a minute. CC users. So you can use this if, let's say, because as of right now, this RFI is only going to the architect, right? So let's say you wanted to add your project manager. So you'll come over here to the blue plus button, and you'll add users, CC users. Okay, and let's just say Tina is the project manager for this Magnolia and Adams job. So we'll go ahead and select Tina, close and add selected down here. And now you'll see that she's going to get a copy of this RFI, okay? Now, let's say you have a photo of the seat wall in question, or let's say you have, you want to show the detail. Well, this is where you can browse to that file wherever it's housed on your computer, okay? And you select the file, click open, it's going to prepare it. And once this goes green, you can click upload files, okay? And now what that's going to do, it's going to attach that file or that document to this RFI, okay? So now we're ready to send. We've got our document attached, we got our additional users in here, we've got our question, and we've got this top information all filled out, okay? So now we go straight to transmit, and that gets sent to the architect and whoever we've CC'd, okay? So now I'll go ahead and show you here. Since I'm the one set up as the architect, this is coming to my email address here. So the architect can open that up and he can download that as an RFI, okay? Or as a PDF rather. And then he can mark it up. He can view the RFI and the attachment. And then he can make any notes and provide you a response, and then he'll email that back to you, okay? Now, once he emails that back to you, you'll go ahead and save that, and you'll come back into your RFI. You'll come to the answer field here. Please see attached response from architect. Okay. You'll come down here. You'll browse to that file. Okay. Once it's prepared, you'll upload it. And there you go. You've got your answer to your RFI here. So now that there's an answer in there, you can close this RFI. And once you close it, it shows up here, RFI 18, stone veneer, closed, okay? And that will update your RFI log automatically, okay? Which you can come over here to reports, print. And here's your RFI log. Now it's important to note that if you come to print an RFI log and you click print and you don't see anything, you need to check that your pop-up blockers are turned off, okay? Because as you see, it popped up in a new window. So you'll need to make sure that your pop-up blockers are off. Otherwise, that's not going to show up. So you'll get a little message up here, I believe, that says, hey, you know, this was blocked because you have pop-up blockers turned on. So that is it for RFIs. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Okay, thank you.